Now see children, suppose I have to represent root 9.3 on the number line. So as in the above, first of all I will draw a line segment of the length 9.3. See at it is 0 and here it is 9 and 9 के बाद मुझे 0.3 तक लेना है. So here it will be, so 0 से 9.3 तक ये हमने यहाँ तक ले लिया है एक लाइन सेगमेंट. दिस इज द लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी is equals to 9.3 centimeter. Got it? Now we will extend it up to the length 1 centimeter. So B के बाद से 1 centimeter तक यहाँ तक हम इसको extend करेंगे and this point we will write C which is equals to 1 centimeter. Got it? Now we will take the perpendicular bisector of this AC. So for which we will put the pin at A, take the distance more than half of AC, then one arc up, one arc down. Got it? Now with the same radii, we will put the pin at C and take a arc up and down. Now you can see we are having these 2 points. So by joining these 2 points with dotted line, we will get the perpendicular bisector of AC. C, and which intersect AC at the point O. Now we will put the pin at O, take the radii as OA. See, OA is the radii, and I will draw the semicircle like this, which definitely will pass through both the points A and C. Got it? Now I have to construct perpendicular from B. So just take a little bit distance in compass, put the pin at B. See, now draw a semicircle which intersect this AC at these 2 points. One this one and second is this one. Now I will bisect it. First of all we will take the distance of equal to its diameter or more you can take. See, one arc here. Now with the same radii, put the pin here and cut this arc. See, I have cut this arc. So I can get this point. See, this point. I will join this point with B and proceed. So here I am joining this. Now this perpendicular is intersecting the semicircle at this point D. So according to the above construction, this BD will represent square root of 9.3, but it is not on the number line. So to show this on number line, we just extend the diameter of this semicircle both sides. I am extending it on both sides. Put arrows on both sides. Here is negative, here it will be positive sign. So children, if B point is representing 0, C point is representing 1. So to represent this root 9.3 on this number line, I have to take pin at B, take a distance equal to BD, see like this, and I'll just make an arc on the number line like this. So this point D dash will represent root 9.3 on number line, and now I am writing here कि point D dash will represent root 9.3 on number line, where this point B is representing 0, this point C is representing 1, and this point D dash is representing root 9.3 on number line. So hope you understand. Now using this you can find out different type of questions like represent root 3 point something or any of the decimal number. So just keep on practicing this method. It is very important. Most of the times it comes in the examination, and this question was question number 4 of exercise 1.5. Got it, children?